Hi everyone, this is Dave from Geekanoids and welcome to my unboxing and first look at the Nintendo 3DS XL. In this video I'm going to be unboxing this, taking a first look and also giving you a comparison against the original 3DS, which has got 90% smaller screens than the XL version. So a quick look around the packaging. Now you can obviously get this in different colours. I've gone for the red and black version. We have got the colour and serial number on the side. We've got some more details on this side, and round on the back here we have got some details here. It says Nintendo 3DS software, DS software compatible, not compatible with Game Boy Advance, and what the contents are. Let's have a look inside. So we will unseal this for the first time. That's one seal and another seal. Just check I went through that one right. There we go. So now let's open this for the first time. You'll have seen a little edit there. That's because I got interrupted by somebody. So here we go. Let's open this. So we're straight into the main box, and we've got two sections in here. Bottom section with some information. We'll have a look at that in a minute. And then we've got the console itself. Nothing else inside the box. As I say, no charger with this, which is a little bit of a shame. Let's pop the console to one side. We'll have a look at this package first of all. So in here we have got some Club Nintendo information, important information for parents, so some sort of safety information, a quick start guide, so how you're going to get up and running nice and quickly. This package does not include an AC adapter. How tight can you get? You would have thought for the money you would have got a power adapter in there. Actually, there's not even a USB cable in there. How bad. So anyway, we will move on. We have got an operations manual, full colour, really nicely presented, done an awesome job on the instruction manual, so they can be commended on that. Customer support, augmented reality cards, much like the original 3DS. And then we've got the 3DS itself. Here we go. Da 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 da. Wow, looks really nice in the red, liking that a lot. So we've got the two rear facing cameras on there. On the front here we've got a couple of LED lights. We've got 3.5mm audio jack, a couple of pieces here where we can put wrist straps. Round on this side, volume up and down. Round on this side we've got an IR sensor, the input for the power supply, a couple of shoulder buttons, obviously the game slot as well. And then on this side, wireless controls. And then we've got a little SD card slot, which, if I can just open this up, is underneath a flap. So this is where the SD card goes. And then we're going to open this up to have a look. Oh, we've also got the stylus, of course, just in here. So let's open this up to have a look at how big these screens are. Don't forget, 90% bigger than on the first 3DS. There we go. Wow. Looks really nice. It folds back as well. We've got a couple of clicks there at different angles, and it folds completely flat, so that's nice. So on the front here we've got these super large screens. We've got the speakers, we've got the 3D switch, which you can turn all the way off or put the 3D up to your suiting, and then we've got the analog stick, we've got the four-way controller here, X, Y, A and B buttons, the power on off, start, home and select, and these are physical buttons this time, so physical sort of clicky buttons. They've got a nice feel to them as well. And then of course we've got the LEDs that I showed you a minute ago, and a little pinhole microphone slot just here. So let's turn this on for the very first time. Hopefully it comes with some power in, which it does, and we are powering up. And whilst that's powering up, I will just grab the original Nintendo 3DS, so the non-XL version, which I've been charging. So we just pop the original one to the side there. You can see how small it is. So we're going to go English, and we are going to say yeah, we understand about the 3D depth slider. Click next, and we're going to run through this. Hold the system, yeah, click next. Yeah, we're going to activate the 3D. Wow, it pops out the screen, and wait for this to count through. Yes, it's working. You're not going to see the 3D effect on the video, but yes, the 3D is working. And then we're going to click done, and then we can configure the date and time settings. So I'm not going to bore you with going through all of the settings. I'm going to close this down and then show you a comparison with the original 3DS. So there we go, we've put all the settings into the 3DS XL now. I'm just going to close the lid, and I want to give you a look in comparison to the previous 3DS. So you can see here, size comparison. The new one, you can see my reflection there, but the new one is much, much bigger. And then if we look at thickness wise, roughly about the same thickness. And then we can just have a look at this side here. So you can see the volume button is in the same position. The SD card slot has moved, and then round on the back here, this has remained pretty much the same except for spreading out, of course. And then on this side, wireless and the 3D switch has stayed on the same. And then they've moved that memory card slot onto this side. And then round on the front, obviously the 3.5mm headphone jack has moved and the LED lights have moved. Let's just have a look at the inside. So we'll open this one up. Let's just push this back so you can see the screen. We'll open this one back as well, and you can see a big difference in size. Look at the difference in the screen sizes. This is massively different. Big screens, and I was really worried that it was going to look very pixely, but it doesn't look too bad. The controls, XYBA in the same position. Obviously this one's got little sort of buttons here that are underneath the membrane on here, and this has got physical buttons for the select, home and start. And then on this side we've got the same control sticks. The top screen's obviously bigger again on the 3DS XL. Speaker design has changed a little bit as well, and we've also noticed on here we've got a little light for the 3D next to the 3D switch, and on here no LED light at all. It's just purely just the slider, so they got rid of the little backlighting behind there. So this is running Pilot Wings at the moment. I'm not going to play it, I just wanted to show you the screen, the viewing angle. So we've got a really good viewing angle on here. Side viewing angles, and now I want to show you it compared to this. So I'm going to actually just power this down, do power off, and we just close that down, take the cartridge out, and we're going to pop the cartridge in here, and it goes this way round. And let's open this up. Let's see what the screen viewing angles are like on this one. So I've obviously got the 3D switched all the way off on the top screen, and let's see what it looks like. I'm really expecting it to look not as sharp, but wow, nice vivid colours. It is a little bit more pixely, sounds really good. So let's have a look at the viewing angles on this one. Actually, the viewing angles on the new 3DS XL aren't quite as good. They're not far out, but they're not quite as good. Let's just put the 3D up. Now you're not going to see this. The 3D sweet spot, yeah, you still need to have your face or head in the right position to get the 3D effect to its best. But it's not quite as small a sweet spot. You can move this around a little bit more and still get the 3D effect. The actual sort of pixelization on the screen, well, I think it still looks pretty good, because what they've done is they've increased the screen size on both screens by 90%, but not the resolution. The resolution's remained the same, but it looks really good. Really quite impressed with that. So let's take one last look at these two side by side. There we go. We've got the 3DS on the left here, and the new 3DS XL. Really liking the look of the XL. Thank you very much for watching this video. This is my unboxing and first look at the new 3DS XL from Nintendo. Thank you very much for watching. If you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next one.